Oh na 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 na. Yeah yeah yeah. Angithi mina ngikhethe wena. Ashumbe. Yeah yeah yeah. Yabona abantu abanderstand yeah. Ukuthi mina nawe siyophelela kufeni. Take my heart, take my soul. I'll die for you, die for you. Yabona abantu abanderstand yeah. Uthi mina nawe we were meant for each other yeah. Wetalibambi isandla sami, hamba nami siyoqala impilo phesheya. Ngicela ungawali isithando sami, oh sithando sami. Inhliziyo yami ikhethe wena, ikhethe wena. Angithi all my life, all my hours, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, nguwe. All my life, all my hours, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe.
Mbey, nisho bapha abantu, obani bona, lento ingamnawo, mangiyibona, khululeka, sokhuphuka sehla, ngeke ukhule wedwa, and ukhulu kuseza. Ya uNkulunkulu mkhulu vele, okwethu ukukhuleka, kuze kukhuleke, size sikhokhobe, ngibe umkhulu yeah, uzoba ugogoke. Okay cool, let's. Inhliziyo izozima ithi mfi. Stupid. Bazoyithola isagcwele ithi mfi. Mayishukela, usangishupela, ngazivukela, wangivusela, wazivukela, wazincukela, istuff sakho. Thanks. Yabona abantu aba-understand
Yeah. Uthi mina nawe we were meant for each other yeah. Wetalibambi isandla sami, hamba nami siyoqala impilo phesheya. Yabona emhlabeni uthando lunjena lutholakali, kodwa ukuthanda wena dala kuyona mistake. Ukuthanda nguwe dala, ukuthanda nguwe ngumnandi njenge-milkshake. All my life ngosuku lwami lokugcina ngifisa ukumbona nguwe. Wedali mamela, imizwa yami ithola ukukhanya. Inhliziyo yami ithola ikhaya. Uyisibani sempilo yami. Ngicela ungawali isithando sami, oh sithando sami. Inhliziyo yami ikhethe wena, ikhethe wena. Angithi all my life, all my hours, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa
Hi, my name is Babethu. Ngahlangana noMbali 2019 ngoSeptember.
Hi, my name is Bali. Welcome to our wedding. I met Babethu 2019 September.
This what happened ngihlangana noMbali. Besinesabelo like emhlanganweni ishibene bese hotel mina bengihamba bengiyibus captain. Ngihamba ngebus and then we met up emhlanganweni eFNB Stadium 2019. And then umngani kaMbali, she was so friendly, bubbly, ejabule, yagida shaye yonke lento.
Nambe
Yabo.
kid.
Ugide uMbali uthe makafika ke. Efika ngisigida nomngani wakhe. Yena ufika sikasingene emaphakathini. Makasingene emaphakathini ngiyambona ukhathele umuntu wami. Njengoba sigida lapha kuthathwa ithombe. And mina I was using iPhone. She was using Android. And I asked her to take picture, thatha ama pictures ngefoni yakhe. Ngoba ngifuna number yakhe vele mbili. Mathatha ngefoni yakhe ngamcela ukuthi ngicela ungithumele ama pictures.
Well, I was bored. Sorry, but I was bored during the talk. Then I end up sharing the pictures before lunchtime.
And then when she shared the pictures, oh, ngabjabula. I just said thank you.
Yeah, then we became friends. Wada. We broke up, we made up, we broke up, we made up, we broke up, we made up, till this day.
Cue Stallion.
Bitang malume libiteng libo mangwane. I don't wanna wait no more. Kwaze kalulu kuqina isithembiso sami. 'Cause I promise today is the day. Bitang malume libiteng libo mangwane. I don't wanna wait no more. Kwaze kwalulu kuqina isithembiso sami. 'Cause I promise today is the day the Lord has made. Mama lilizele bakikiza bomakhelwana ya indlela wamukelekile ekhaya. Mama lilizele bakikiza bomakhelwana ya indlela wamukelekile ekhaya. Mama lilizele ya indlela.
Ngisengubeni emhlophe kwa, yeah. Amakhasi eBhayibheli ayaphekwa, bahlanganisa mina nawe, dali forever and ever. Oyohlukanisa mina nawe, dali uyokheswa forever and ever, yeah.
Mama lilizele bakikiza bomakhelwana ya indlela wamukelekile ekhaya. Mama lilizele bakikiza bomakhelwana.
Isagalavuga, 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 isagalavuga. Ungangisondeli, hleze ngithukuthele, hleze ngisempini akufiwe makufiwa, siwe maziwa. So uyangusisi, Bolivia namantombazana yokhala bafana. Ungangisondeli, hleze ngithukuthele, hleze ngisempini akufiwe makufiwa, siwe maziwa. So uyangusisi, Bolivia namantombazana yokhala bafana. Sagala Vumba, Sagala Vumba, Sagala Vumba, Sagala Vumba, Sagala Vumba.
Suman sondele, senze chungutele. Sesum sempi nakfiwa makfiwa, siwe masiwa. So uya musisi, so uya musisi. Boliviana mandoma, sana yokala bafana. Suman sondele, senze chungutele. Sesum sempi nakfiwa makfiwa, siwe masiwa. So uya musisi, so uya musisi. Boliviana mandoma, sana yokala bafana.
My wedding was perfect. My highlights, ne? It was makeup. Best makeup ever.
One of the
In
best, if
fact,
not
it was done by Zuki, one of the best makeup artists in South Africa. So my makeup, and then my dress.
What about hair?
No. No, I'm used to this. No.
But it was done by.
It was done by Xoli, partially my husband, and then the rest was done by Xoli. Thank you so much, Xoli. Thank you so much, Zuki, and thank you so much.
My remarks about this day, ne? It was amazing, and Uncle Uchi, we ended up doing it. Oh, there was a lot of hiccups before. But
it's a long walk to freedom.
It was a long way. So, but we ended up making it. And as she mentioned before, I made everything possible. And she said I, but we.
Okay.
As umbali ngithanda isipidi sakhe bekezela. Ngithanda makithanda uthanda ngempela makithanda. Nombali makafuna into, she makes sure she get it.
What I like about him, father figure, he's a family man, and we are panda strong. I know I will never ever go in bed hungry. I know we are panda strong. Even our wedding, everything was done by him. So this is him, and I love him so much.
When she walked down she was so beautiful.
But she did not. He did not cry. I was expecting tears from him.
You know why?
No, I was expecting tears. Tears of joy. Tears of joy.
Hey, I had tears of joy long ago. Even everyone before born. This is not my crying time. This is my joyful time. Thank you, love.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Thank you, first.
Sharp.
Bye.